how to make a Tron transaction in cats. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can make a Tron transaction in the cats minigame without any errors. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is install the Keeper app if you don't already have it. Over here, complete the setup process in the app. After that, connect your Keeper wallet to the cats minigame. Then, once connected, the app will automatically close and redirect you back to Telegram. Open the cats minigame, and if you see a transaction error, don't worry. Over here, slide down your notification bar and you will see a transaction message. Click on the message and it will take you to the Keeper app to confirm your transaction. After that, complete the transaction and return to the cats minigame. Over here, if the coins are not added, just refresh the game and the coins will appear in your account. So that's how you can make a Tron transaction in cats. That's all for this video.